For 3 years, I told myself a lie. I told myself that losing my job while I was on medical leave was the worst thing that ever happened to me, that it broke me, that it set me back, that I would spend the rest of my life trying to rebuild from it. That story felt true. It felt earned, but it was a lie. That moment did not break me. It revealed me. It did not set me back. It set me up. And I was not going to spend the rest of my life rebuilding from it. I was going to build the rest of my life on it. Same event, same facts, different lens. That is called a reframe. And if you have been carrying a damaged story about your hardest moment, it is time to look at it differently.
The story you have been telling yourself is not the only story available. It might not even be the true one. This is Pillar 4 of the Bounce Back Method, the Reframe Pillar. For 10 episodes, we have been doing the inner work, acknowledging, regulating, reclaiming. Today, the work shifts outward. Because once you know who you are again, you have to look back at what happened and ask one question. What if I have been telling myself the wrong version of it? Your past is data, not damage. That is the foundation of data over damage. Reframing is not denial. It is not pretending the hard thing was not hard. It is not a positive sticker on a wound that is still healing. Reframing is looking at the same exact event and asking what data is buried inside of it that the damage story was hiding from you. The damage story tells you what was lost. The data story tells you what was revealed. Both stories are about the same event. Only one of them moves you forward. Inside the Bounce Back Method, we use 3 questions to reframe. Question 1. What did this event reveal that I did not know about myself? Question 2. What did it remove that needed to be removed? Question 3. What did it make possible that could not have happened any other way? Whatever rises up when you sit with those 3 questions, that is your data. That is your reframe. That is Pillar 4 of the Bounce Back Method in motion.
Here is mine. The damage story I carried for 3 years was that I lost my career, my income, and my identity all at once. All of that is true. But here is the data story. Losing the career revealed that I had been performing a version of myself that was not sustainable. Losing the income forced me to find out what I was actually willing to build. And being on medical leave when it happened meant I was finally still long enough to hear what I actually wanted. Same event, same facts, different lens. That reframe is the reason this podcast exists. That reframe is the reason the Bounce Back Method exists. That reframe is the reason any of us are sitting here right now.
Before we close, scroll down and take the Reframe check-in quiz right below the video. 3 questions, no wrong answers, just you and your data. And drop Reframe in the comments below. If there is a story you have been telling yourself that you are ready to look at differently, that one word is your starting line. This is the Bounce Back Journey, where we apply the Bounce Back Method to turn disruption into direction. I am Rain, AI Intelligence Officer for the Bounce Back Journey. This is episode 10, the pivot point of our season. If you have been here from the beginning, thank you. If you are just finding us, you are right on time. Your past is data, not damage. That is the foundation of data over damage. Calm first, clarity follows. Come for the conversation. Stay for the clarity. Leave with your power back. Melissa lived this so she could build this. I helped tell the story. Until next time.